channel. So today we are going ahead with very important commands AWK and SCD. So these are not only commands in Unix, but they have inbuilt programming capabilities. So, except from one-liner commands, we can produce programming capabilities inside that using that command. These are AWK and SCD. So let's see what are other miscellaneous features the AWK and SCD provides for the programmers. Okay, for the so AWK is scripting language used for manipulating data and generating reports. So what we can do with AWK? What are the operations? Scan a file line by line. We can scan through the file from beginning to end, and what we can print, we can cut, paste, everything. Splits each input line into fields. It can split file into the fields with given delimiter, field delimiter. Okay, compares input line fields to patterns. It can compare the files. It can compare the fields with the pattern, perform actions on matched line. Okay, and it is used for transforming the data and producing the reports. So it can read through one file and then transform, manipulate the data inside that file and then produce the report out of that file, that file. Okay, and we can have a programming construct like in format output. It has an output print options, right? We can do arithmetic, string operations and then conditionals and loops. That's what cited, right? It's an inbuilt, programming capabilities. So how we can achieve, how AWK achieve this programming capabilities? So it has inbuilt parameters, right? So FS is the input field separator. Okay, OFS is the output field separator. Okay, NF is the number of fields changes in each record. Okay, so it may change, if you are reading line by line. So number of fields for first record could be different and second record could be different. So whenever we loop through, from for the file, for a given file using AWK, so line by line we can, read that file and then we'll have an operations on number of fields we can check for the particular record, particular iteration, right? And we can manipulate, once we reach the particular file, then we can we can split the file, we can get the particular field, we can have many operations on that, right? NR the number of records so far. So NR is the number of record that has been read so far through via the command. Okay, the current record will be referenced by hash. $0 is the entire input line. So $0 for a particular iteration, 0 would be first line, for likewise. So let's say we have cat EMPs. So EMPs file contain 4 records: Tom, Mary, Sally, Billy. These records probably they have first name, last name, then employer number, joining date, or kind of probably the salary. Okay. And the awk command, when we run awk print NR $0. NR is the which number of line. So which number of records. Okay, and 0. $0 is the entire line. Okay, that's what we understood, right? And NR is the number of records read so far. Okay, NR first record we have read, so we have printed number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we have printed in the entire line. So likewise, if you want to print number of record, then particular field $1, $2, $5 we can specify. $1 is the first field, $2 is the second field, $5 is the fifth field. We just printed the name of the person and the salary. So likewise, we can do many more things. So AWK -F is used to specify the field separator. Okay, so in this case we have field separator colon, right? So what is this command is? search the zones in the file and then print $1 and $2 for that record. Okay. So zone is we have only one record, first record, and then we have printed $1 and $2, employee number and employee ID for that particular employee. Okay. So important one line is also important, right? So line command awk and print nr. So if you want to print only the number of records in the file, do and print. Okay. So basically what is happening is it will read all entire file and at the end it will have another number of records. So at the end it is printing grep. So it can work as a grep then backslash pat backslash. So it will search PAT in the file. Okay, it, it will work as a head command. No, AWK NR. So NR until the NR is less than or equal to 10. So all the 10 lines will print add line to the file. So print NR $0. So number of lines it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 that we have already seen. Okay. To display all lines between the words start and stop, including start and stop, enter. Okay. So what is the command? Enter. So awk start, then comma stop chapter 1. Okay. So so this is very important command. Awk hyphen app sum dot awk chapter 1. App is file name. So sum dot awk is the another file name. Okay. Which awk will understand. Therefore the extension is awk. Okay. So what is it? Sum dot awk? This file. This one. Okay. So begin by field separator is what? No, space or tab. Okay. Print $1, $2. S is equal to S plus $1 and print sum of the salary average is. Sum is this, average is we can get. Sum, first we need to calculate sum, then average we can calculate, while dividing by number of records. So what it is printing is, so what it will do is from the chapter 1 file, okay, so this will execute in beginning, right? This middle bracket, it is closed. This section is the body, the repetitive part, okay, and this is the end section. So it will work as a section. So beginning is we need to specify the field separator and so on things, right? Now this is the repetitive in nature, the body section. So print $1 and $2, $2 we can print, and then s is equal to s plus $. S is some variable, okay. So $1 is what? What is chapter 1? Let me see what is it. I do not have chapter 1 data. Let me check. Okay. So let's see. I mean, probably the employee name or something. See here. ABC, right? Employee ID and salary. Okay. So salary we are just summing up. At the end, will be the sum of the salary, and then average if you want to create. So NR will have all the number of records. So VA, ABC, or we can create, right, using cat or something. So what you can do is this one, right? So what it will print is it is printing past all these things through this body, and then at the end it's printing sum and salary. Okay, sum and average. Okay. Then we have SCD command. So SCD we have detail extensively used as is stream editor. So this also has programming capabilities like that, but this is simple than that. Our AWK has extensive programming capabilities, But SCD will have, less. Is a Unix utility that parses and transforms text using simple compact programming language. SCD is a data-driven, specifically line-oriented, and read text input line by line from the input stream or file into an internal over called pattern space. Okay. And so few one-liner we have. So what you know it does is generate data. It will take the data from the generate data, and then SCD replace X by Y. Okay. These are very, very used one-liner. It's very popular one-liner for SCD command. An SCD pattern Q. Okay, end of the search, from the beginning to the end pattern into the files. Okay, so delete this pattern. Okay, so SCD minus hyphen n print this pattern, not print this pattern. Okay, SCD hyphen 9 20 30 P file 20 to 30 line number we need to print. SCD minus n 1 to 10 D delete 1 to 10 files. So this is like, you know one liner operations are very useful, and it has a programming capability as well. So with that we are going to end this session. Okay, thank you so much.